Hey, what is going on, guys? It's me, Anafan. Welcome back to Take Chably. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Well, my microphone stand has just got broken, and I want to use this chance to create a DIY video on how to make a microphone stand at home. This video, I will show you how to make a mic stand with sand and beer can in just a few minutes. So let's get started. First step is to get a beer can and put sand into the beer can. The reason why we have to do this is to keep the beer can stay strong when you try to remove the beer lid without harming the shape of the can. Next step is to remove the beer lid. We use a piece of sandpaper for wood like this to make the can lid open. Hold the sandpaper tightly by your right hand and rub it around the beer lid until you can see the separation line. It doesn't take long since this covering layer is thin. Now we use a small blade to detach the beer lid out of the beer can. So you get the blade in, then move it around like the beer can. You can see how easy it is. I will replace the sand since the first sand I put in is with many stones. Now I will get a better sand to pour in. Now let's stick the microphone stand into the beer can. Since sands can get loosened, we use some foams to stick around the beer can and make the mic stand straight up. After adjusting a good standing position, then put the microphone into the mic holder. One of the disadvantages is you cannot adjust the microphone too much downside because the microphone can be so heavy and it will fall down. But you can hold it stand up to the point where the mic stand is staying straight and it doesn't fall down. Looks now, guys, I already get a DIY microphone stand within available home around materials. That's it for today, guys. I am Anafan from Take Chably. If you like this video, please share it with others. Please leave me a comment and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.